Hello and welcome to Olivia Rose Floral Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a beautiful, elegant and very simple Valentine's red rose vase. Today's tutorial will be using fake artificial velvet touch red roses, some artificial eucalyptus, some dry foam and some leaf. Let's get to it. Okay, so to get started, I have my vase and I've already cut down my dry foam for the flowers to go in. I had to cut it several times to make it right, but if you just keep cutting the corners of a square piece until you can just drop it in nice and easy. Okay, so first of all we will need to cover this so it's not showing at the bottom of the vase. And you can do this several ways. You can use a piece of material, you can use ribbon, or you can simply use some leaves. So I'm going to use some leaves just to keep it with the theme. So first of all, just curl your leaf around like so, cut it, and then once you're happy, you just go ahead and pin it, and that will secure it. Then you get your second leaf and I just overlap them like so, and I take it so it sticks up above the oasis just very slightly, just to hide anything from the front once the flowers are in. So again, just simply cut it like so, and then just pin it the same way. Okay, so now I'm going to add my flowers. I've already measured them against my vase, and then once this is in the oasis, you just want the rose coming just to the top or just underneath the top of the vase. Okay, I've then got my small rose at the bottom, and then I want my middle rose to come about that far down. So the easiest way to measure this is to hold it to where you want it to sit, and then just cut it so it's the same length as the one that you've already measured in the first place. So now I leave my pins at the back of the arrangement and I just pop my roses in one at a time. So first of all, the tallest one is going to be at the back. I'm going to cut some of these leaves off as well, so I'm going to leave the top one on there. The middle rose, so I'm going to turn that so the leaf is at the side like so. My middle rose will come here like that, and then my small rose, I'm going to stick it in at an angle like that, because you remember they've still got to fit within the cylinder, within the glass cylinder. So next, to hide the foam, so that's slipping down a little bit, so to hide the oasis foam, I've cut some eucalyptus and wired them just so they're small pieces and they're secure with the wires. And now I'm going to go around the bottom, and that might be a bit long, and I'm just going to insert them in like so. And I'm not going to make them level, I'm going to have them all different lengths around the base of my flowers. And this is just to break up the roses and to give it some depth. Again, remember, you can't come out too much because these will slide into the cylinder and you don't want them to be squashed up too much. Okay, so I'm just going to work my way around like this. And have a look. I think I'm going to pop one in there as well. Okay, so I think I'm going to put another pin at the back of the leaves just to secure these. Okay, so that's the floral design. Very easy, very quick and very simple. And if you want it if you want to give it a nice glamorous touch, you can simply add these diamante pins into your roses. So the way you do that is you just simply take the diamante pin and you pop it into the head of your rose like so. And this can be done on artificial and fresh roses. So I'm just going to put 2 in. So I'm going to pop one in the bottom rose and one in the top rose, like so. And now for the tricky bit. So we're going to grab our vase and we're going to simply slide our arrangement in. So first of all, before you drop, I would make sure you drop it in very gently, ensuring the leaves don't get caught or bend. And again, you've got the pin heads as well to watch out for. So you can simply guide it in by holding on to the roses as it goes down. And there you have it. Your very simple, very effective, stunning Valentine's rose vase. And if I just tilt it up like that, you can see the diamantes on there. As an extra touch on today's tutorial, you can add some lights. And these are, I think, a string of 20 lights, and they're on a wire so they can be folded and twisted among your arrangement. And I think it looks very effective. Okay, thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe, as I have more exciting arrangements and tutorials coming up for you all to have a go. Take care. Thank you. Bye.